guys, I just got to my 20-week ultrasound appointment, the anatomy scan. I'm really sad that I have to be alone because they're not letting, your partner come right now, which I talked to my friend who's pregnant in the same area, but a different hospital, and she gets her husband to come, but lucky me, I have to come alone to every appointment, so that sucks, but I'm about to go in there. I'm a little bit nervous because I had a Starbucks because I don't get to leave the house, so when I do leave the house I want to get a Starbucks. Am I the only one that does that? So yeah, I got a Starbucks and it said not to. But I'm like, how will they tell? What's that TikTok? How will they know? But how will they know? So we'll see if they notice. This is the, I always get the vanilla sweet cream cold foam cold brew. I don't get Starbucks. Well, I was going to say I don't get it that often. I don't get Starbucks that often, which to me means once a week. Maybe twice a week. Basically, as many times as I go to Target that week. So, anyways, about to grab my mask and head on in. I'll buy my lonesome. I'll check back in when I'm done. Bye. I think this song that's playing, I don't think you can hear it, but it means a baby was born. Oh, it's gonna make me all emotional. Okay, that was a good appointment. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, Lord, have mercy. But that was so good. I wasn't expecting it to be so, you could see everything about the baby, So, we saw her suck her thumb. So we have another thumb sucker, which, if you know, Graceland's a thumb sucker. So that was so cute and exciting to know something about her already. And then from her profile, it looked like her nose is Austin's nose. It's tilted up the tiniest bit, which is so cute, which I call it a butt nose, so I'm so glad, when our kids have that cute nose. And then it looked like she had kind of big lips, and she was moving a lot, and we got a picture of her sticking her tongue out, from the side she sticks her tongue out. It was so cute. And yeah, she's a thumb sucker. I can't believe it. I know Gracie sucked her thumb in my stomach too, so I'm so out of breath wearing a mask for an hour, and being pregnant is miserable. But yeah, Graceland sucked her thumb in my stomach too, and she sucked it immediately, like it being weighed when she was born. So it's so exciting. Yeah, little Linnea. I'm so excited. Bye.
You shout hello, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, take your aim. Fire away, fire away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. ghost town, haunted love. Raise your voice, but sticks and stones may break my bones. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet, take your aim. Fire away, shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Banana bread. I didn't plan on leaving this audio in. I was just going to speed it up and put music over it like the rest of the video, but listening to it back, it's so sweet how Everly loved helping me. Help me sprinkle. No, come back over here. No. Do more?
Yeah.
Use a spoon. Sprinkle it. Oh. Sprinkle. Like this, look. Shake it. Okay? You shake it. Okay. Oh,
I love it, Mom.
alright. Okay, last one. What did we make, Everly? Banana bread?
Yeah.
Yeah. For breakfast? Mm-hmm.
Whoa, Nano.
Banana. Say banana.
Banana.
I love to make this banana bread the night before so that it's just a quick, easy breakfast in the morning. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!